Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learner. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey guys, it's great to see you again. Today's topic is a really good one. Describe about your day in English.
Yes, this is something we do every day, right? We always talk about our day with family, friends, or even coworkers. So this is the perfect way to practice speaking English naturally.
Exactly. And what's fun is that everyone's daily routine is different. Some people wake up super early, others love to sleep in. Some go to work, some study, and some work from home. So, how was your day today?
My day was actually pretty good. Thanks for asking. I woke up around 6:30 in the morning. The sun was shining through my window, and I felt really fresh and positive. The first thing I did was stretch a little, open my curtains, and make my bed. I always try to start my day tidy. It helps me feel ready to go.
That's nice. I wish I could say the same. Honestly, I always forget to make my bed. I just jump out, brush my teeth, and run to get ready.
I used to be like that too, but now I try to be a bit more organized. After making my bed, I went to the bathroom, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and took a quick shower. Then I made myself a cup of coffee, my favorite part of the morning.
Oh yes, coffee. I totally understand that feeling. For me, it's tea. I can't start my day without a hot cup of tea.
That's nice. After coffee, I made a simple breakfast. 2 boiled eggs, some toast, and a banana. I like to eat light in the morning. Then I spent a few minutes checking my phone, reading some news headlines, and scrolling through my social media feed. I like to know what's happening in the world.
That sounds like such a calm morning. For me, it was a little chaotic. I woke up late today, almost 7:45. I was supposed to wake up at 7, but I hit the snooze button too many times.
Oh no, did you have to rush to get ready?
Totally. I brushed my teeth faster than ever, skipped breakfast, and just made a cup of tea to take with me. Then I grabbed my bag and ran out the door. And guess what? The traffic was horrible. There were so many cars and motorbikes. I think everyone decided to leave at the same time today.
Oh, that's stressful. I'm lucky because I live close to my office. I usually walk there. It takes about 15 minutes. I love walking in the morning. The air feels fresh and I can think about what I need to do for the day. Sometimes I even listen to soft music or a short podcast while walking.
That sounds peaceful. I wish I could do that. My office is a bit far, so I take my motorbike. Normally it takes 30 minutes, but today it took almost an hour because of the traffic jam. I could see people getting impatient, honking their horns, and trying to move faster.
That's long. What do you do while you're stuck in traffic?
I usually listen to podcasts or music. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts too. It helps me learn new words while I drive.
That's such a good idea. I sometimes listen to music when I walk too. It gives me good energy for the day. So, what was the first thing you did when you got to work?
As soon as I arrived, I checked my emails and messages. Then we had a short team meeting about a new project. I had to prepare a presentation for tomorrow, so I spent most of my morning working on that. I was focused and didn't even realize how fast the time passed.
Sounds productive. My morning was pretty busy too. I had 2 meetings back to back. One was about next week's schedule, and the other was to discuss a new client proposal. We had to talk about deadlines, budgets, and ideas for improving our plan.
Wow, that's a lot of meetings. Did you get any time to rest?
Just a little bit. Around 10:30, I took a short coffee break and chatted with a coworker. We talked about weekend plans and some funny office stories. It's always nice to take a small break to refresh your mind. Then I went back to my desk and worked on some reports until lunchtime.
Oh, lunchtime, my favorite part of the day. By 12 o'clock, I was starving. I went out with 2 of my colleagues to a small restaurant nearby. We had fried rice, some soup, and fresh juice. It was really good, and we talked about movies and music while eating.
Yum! I brought my lunch from home today, rice with grilled chicken and vegetables. I'm trying to eat healthier, so I cook more often now. I also brought some fruit, an apple, and a few grapes.
That's awesome. I should start doing that too, but I'm usually too lazy to cook. After lunch, I felt so sleepy, so I took a short walk outside the office to wake myself up. The weather was hot, but the breeze felt nice.
I know that feeling. After lunch, I always need a little energy boost. Sometimes I stretch a bit or grab another coffee. After that, I had to review some documents and answer a few phone calls. My afternoon passed really fast because I was busy.
Mine too. I was still finishing my presentation. Then around 4:30, my boss asked me to help fix a small computer problem. It took longer than I expected, so I left work around 5:30.
Oh, that's a long day. I finished around 5 o'clock and went straight to the gym. I did some light exercise and yoga. It helps me relax after sitting all day. I also met a friend there and we chatted while walking on the treadmill.
That's so good. I really want to start working out too, but honestly, I was too tired today. I just went home, took a shower, and watched some funny videos on YouTube. I love watching travel vlogs and cooking channels. They help me forget about work for a while.
That's okay. Sometimes relaxing is the best way to end the day. What did you have for dinner?
I didn't cook today. I ordered some fried noodles and a salad. Quick and easy. What about you?
I made rice with tofu and vegetables. After dinner, I cleaned up, washed the dishes, and then called my mom. We talked for about 20 minutes. She always wants to know what I did all day. Sometimes she gives me cooking tips too.
That's sweet. I usually call my parents on weekends. After dinner, I practiced guitar for a while and then listened to soft music before bed. It helps me relax and clear my mind.
That sounds really peaceful. I watched a funny comedy show before bed. I laughed a lot. It was a perfect way to end the day. After that, I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and prepared my clothes for tomorrow.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11, I like to prepare my clothes and bag for the next day. That way, I don't need to rush in the morning.
That's smart. I usually just set my alarm and hope I wake up on time.
I think a lot of people do that. Anyway, my day was pretty normal but nice. How about yours overall?
Mine too. Not too busy, but still productive. I like days like this. Calm, simple, and balanced.
Same here. Sometimes the best days are the quiet ones when everything just feels easy and peaceful.
Totally agree. And it's also a good chance to practice gratitude, to be thankful for the small things that make our days better.
That's a beautiful thought. So now it's your turn, listeners.
Yes, we want to know all about your day. What time did you wake up? What did you do this morning, afternoon, and evening?
Tell us in the comments below. Describe your day in English. It's a great way to practice your writing and daily vocabulary.
That's right. And we love reading your stories. Maybe we'll read one of your comments in our next episode.
That would be amazing. So don't be shy. Share your story and join the conversation.
And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more fun and easy English talks every week.
Thank you so much for listening today.
See you next time, guys.
Bye, everyone, and have a great day.